So hey guys, I'm gonna go fishing on the pond to catch a fish. My dad caught a big one. I'm gonna go catch one and put inside my thumb. Hey guys, stay tuned at the end of the video because I put my fish inside the aquarium. My baby's brain doing this curl up like this, but not a big piece. Only a small piece. And it looks like this.
Here, you want to try?
I'm afraid.
Put your thumb in his mouth. There you go. And then pinch him.
Pinch.
It. Hold. Yeah. Open it. Put your thumb in his mouth. Pinch him. Hold him tight.
You guys are going fishing.
Come on down where the waters play, where the dolphins jump and dance all day. Flipping tails like they're saying, hey, under the sea where we all stay.
Release him in the water.
Under the sea, dolphins fish and so free.
You. They're inside the water. Hey guys, we just got the
Under the sea. The fish they shimmer like stars in the night, swimming in schools of colorful sight.
Like and subscribe.